Hello guys and welcome back. Thanks for tuning on my channel today. Well, I'm having a great day at the apple farm. I'm doing a tour around this place. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day at your guys' farm. If you guys are picking apples, strawberries, corn, if you guys are out on the John Deere, we'll hopefully have a great day. Well, let's get started. The apple factory in Brampton, Ontario started as a family-run business in 1979. It was founded by Roy and Lee and her son Cliff, and they started settling down on this land, and they started planting apples and selling them at a roadside market here in Brampton, Ontario. This is what you see that's left here, guys. It's the local country grocery apple factory, and the sign's knocked down. It's sad to see all of this just rot away, and memories are trapped in time, guys. I remember when I came here when I was a kid with my mom, dad, my brothers, my sister. We all came here. We all picked apples on a Friday night. That was the thing. After school, you come here, get an ice cream, pick some apples, get a nice hot pie. Just enjoy your time, have a good time. This was a spot, guys, meet up with your friends, just chill. And now it's sadly gonna be demolished. I remember when I was a kid, I always used to bring like some some little pocket knives with me, because I was really into cutting apples, and I love the Swiss Army knives. They're very nice. But it was a tool to help me cut the apples, to see what apple was really good and what apple wasn't good. And that was just, I remember that I always carried a knife with me. And anyways, so as we look around here, guys, this is the parking lot. This is where everyone used to park. It's still a nice parking lot. They must have redone this recently, guys, because I'm saying there's no point in knocking all this down just to build more houses on it if the land is perfectly fine. But it's not perfectly fine, because the farmer that was there, he says, hey, I want to get rid of this land because, hey, I want the $55 million payout. He could have kept this land, guys, but not always. Here you see, guys, this is the apple there. They used to sell apple cider juice out of there. As we walk around, guys, we see that it's everything built up around it, guys. It's just high rises, stores, it's all, I don't know, it's sad. Okay, guys, so I'm walking around the back here. You see the two sheds. These are the sheds where they kept their John Deere tractors, all their equipment, wagon rides. It's sad to see everything go downhill. As you see here to the right, there's a big trailer. They used to transport the apples to the factory with that trailer. That was the apple factory trailer. They also have this truck bed. This was the truck bed off of one of their trucks. Everything's frozen in time. It's pretty sad to see it go. As you see further in the back, guys, right there's an apple stand. They bring that down with all the apples on it, the flowers, pumpkins, whatever they grew on the farm, they sold it. Okay, we're walking to the back, guys. You see there's some hay bales here. I'm not sure if these are just, they didn't want to get rid of it, but guys, this hay, it's just frozen in time. It's sad to see something like that, guys, just deteriorate. Everything's just frozen. Okay, we're walking back here. You see there's new houses being built, guys. This land is all getting developed. It once was a farm. Now it's getting built up to have houses, and it's sad, but it's the truth, guys. This was once a working farm, and it was all organic. It was fresh, and I really hate to see this farm go. Another farm, guys, we lost in Brampton, Ontario. We also have Downey's farm. We have different farms, but nothing really compares to the real apple factory in Brampton, Ontario. As you see here, guys, there's no orchards left. There's no trees. Everything is slowly getting demolished. Back there, that was their prime land, guys. They had all the trees in rows. It was very nice, and I really hate to see all that just disappear like that. It's sad, but it's the truth. You see here, guys, you see the houses, they're all getting built up. There's cranes, excavators, everything. And this is what's left. This is probably the back area where they used to process all the apples. They used to pick them, wash them, clean them, grade them, and see what's going on, and then sell them. But I remember as a kid, we used to come back here on the apple rides, on the tractor. We used to go up and down the fields. We used to pick so many apples. At the end of the day, you would be so happy. You would get home, you could have one apple a day for school, and you can have many more apples to come. But now, guys, it's just sad to see it go. I would love to see more farms pop up in our neighborhoods, guys, in Ontario. But the thing is, the truth is, they care more about money than food. And that's the truth, guys. We could be self-sustainable. We could have so much apples in Brampton, Ontario, and just in Canada. Like, but the thing is, we import a lot of our food now. It's sad, but it's the truth. Here you go, guys. This is the apple stand here. I think they converted this from a I guess hayride or something over to stand, because look at this. This is a nice piece of artwork there. You know, anything, guys, you see here, that's something like this trapped in time. It'd be crazy if someone could bring all this back to life and say, hey, you know, I got this from the apple factory. And you can ask them, say, hey, can I have this piece? Like, ask them and say, hey, you know, can I have this trailer, or can I have this and that? Maybe I'm gonna bring back to life just to relive my memories of childhood. That's, you know, that's sometimes you go to different farms and you see some cars in the back or some classic antiques. And you're like, hey, can I buy this off you? And sometimes they're like, yeah, here, just take it away, because they don't want it anymore. But the thing is, it doesn't mean something to someone, but someone else will say, hey, I would love that, because it means someone to someone else. Just like this here, guys, there's basically these shacks here. These shacks could be used again. I hate to see all this being gone, but the truth is, guys, all this can be demolished. It's gonna be wrecked. There's nice barns. All this is custom made. And when I was a kid, I saw chickens here, I saw goats, I saw pigs. It's just crazy how everything just, you know, it goes by. Time flies by so quick. I remember like it was the other day, you know, I was here petting a goat. I was like feeding some chickens, and now I hate to see it all go. It's gone. It's just, you know, my memories are still gonna be here, but the farm's not gonna be here. Well, anyways, guys, that's the truth of the apple factory in Brampton, Ontario. It's been running for decades now, and now it's finally come to an end, guys. And that's like everything in life, you know. You're running something, and eventually, you know, the engine's gonna break, or someone's gonna say enough is enough. And that's like everything in life, guys. You gotta make room for the new and get rid of the old. And yeah, that's sad, but it's the truth. I'm gonna be making my own apple farm too, guys, so stay tuned on my upcoming videos, because I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. I'm gonna start planting trees. I'm gonna have an orchard. Might be a small orchard, guys, but I'm still gonna plant, because I know in the long run I'm gonna get apples, and that's my favorite fruit out there, guys. Apples. And who knows, I might grow peaches, strawberries, plums, cherries. But you guys got to stay tuned for this. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content coming out. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Take care.